Hello guys, welcome to Tactics tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make Trollface edit tutorial on Capcut. Without further ado, let's get started. Now, if you want this effect on your video, make sure to keep watching up till the end to learn how to do it. First thing you're gonna need to do is to find the beat on your music where you want to put the effect. I think I'm just gonna do it here. Now after that, just find the freeze. After doing that, find the overlay and add the troll face that you're gonna use to the video. Now after that, find the remove background. Now select the chroma key and drag it to the green color. Now that the background is removed, just place the troll face whenever you want to place it. Now after that, just go to effects and then click the video effects and search the shake effect. Now select this right here and then adjust the speed to 100% and the intensity for about 15%. Now once you're done, just check it, and then after that click again the video effects and find the strobe effect and add this one to your video. And now once you're done with that, click the first effect and then select the object and click the all videos. Now do it to other effect, and now it looks like this. And then that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.